What was your first use Tecno mobile phone from the Tecno Spark Series? The best guys, welcome to JBest Tech TV and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are taking a tour through the evolution of the Tecno Spark Series, starting from the first one that was released in the year 2017 to the latest one we are having in 2022. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, a very big thank you for visiting my channel once more. Also, if you find this video informative and you find it helpful, please do well to hit on the like button. At the same time, I would like to hear your thoughts on this video concerning your first use Tecno mobile phone from the Tecno Spark Series. So without saying much, the best guys, let's explore.